Yet another RV renovation. Stick with us. We're losing a little bit of weight and making the place a little bit more comfortable. You saw that we changed out our rear recliners. Actually, they were swivel rockers. We took those out and put recliners in the back. And we held on to them. Thank goodness they're out in the garage. And so we're going to bring those back out here and put those in the place of the sofa. And what it's going to do is it's going to save us about 10 inches of usable space. And since we took the dinette out and we have that table, we could shift things around a little bit now. And it's also going to take out some weight from the trailer. We hit the scales on our way home from our last trip, and we noticed that we gained about 50 pounds with the new chairs. So we're still way under our weight, but we started thinking, we don't use the sofa. It's not comfortable. People don't like to sit on it, and it does eat up a lot of space, and I'll show you what I mean. So this is the sofa that we're taking out right here. And here's the recliners that we replaced the swivel rockers with. One usually sits in this space right here. But we are at home, and when we travel, they need to be right there for the slide out. These chairs are about 5 inches bigger than our other chairs that we're going to be putting into this space right here. So anyway, the first step is just to get this thing out. And actually, we're gonna give this a test. We're gonna take it out, but just put it up by the TV, put the chairs in, see if we like it, and if we don't, well, then we haven't lost anything, and we haven't taken it out of the trailer yet. So that's where we're at. We're gonna take this out. Real simple process. It's like 4 little screws that's attached to that back wall right here, and so here's one of the other reasons too. I'll show you this. So what we also noticed was, especially in the winter time when we're camping, a lot of condensation hits this outer wall. This is the slide out wall, and it's right. It just rests right in this back area, this wall right here, and it's just condensation. There's no leak or anything, but by taking that out, we're going to save a little bit. I'm curious to see what the carpet looks like under here, and it's totally dry right now because it's been sitting in the driveway, but I don't like having this wall get wet like that. And there's no water spots and no damage, but I want to prevent that from happening. So again, just a couple screws. We'll show you what we're doing here. So we just opened this up and zoom in. See, that one's already detached from the wall right there. So, things shift and whatnot. So that'll make that one easy. And this one is just a matter of taking the screw out, and then I'm gonna fill these holes with silicone. And I believe it's just these 4 screws. All right, so the sofa is out, and we're going to put the 2 chairs in there. But first, I'm going to take some of this quick seal. I'm going to fill in the 4 holes that were created by this, and they are significant holes. Luckily, I still have some of that tape left that I used when we took the dinette out to patch that up. But first, I need to fill those holes. So check this out. So the good news is everything is really dry. There's no bubbling, no discoloring. So that tells me that there's no leaks or anything back here. But we're going to fill these holes up with some of this Quick Seal Ultra. I use this a lot out here. So I fill them and then come back, smooth them out, get these rough edges out, and then I'll put the tape on. And the nice thing is that it totally dries nice and clear. All right, let's get the other holes. All right, here's the empty space. And these are the chairs that we took out from the back side here. And we're going to go ahead and put those in to this space. And you see what we got here from the dinette out to this wall. So when the couch was in there, it was about 60 something inches. And these chairs are, I think, 26 inches wide. Got Josh helping me out here today. So now you have more comfortable seating. I mean, the sofa only let you sit 2 people anyway. So now we've got the 2 recliners. These are rocker swivel recliners, and these are rocker swivel chairs. So now 4 people can comfortably sit back here rather than sitting on that old sofa that was not comfortable to sit on. And we save space with the dinette. This is a lot more comfortable, and we still have plenty of room with the recliners. These chairs fit so much nicer than having the sofa in. They're a lot more comfortable to sit on. You can relax. Got the armrests. Still have plenty of room with the recliners over here to my right. Plenty of room with the dinette over here on the left. And still have the ability to swivel the chairs, and it's a lot lighter. So we've taken a lot of weight off of the trailer and off of the slide out. Not that I was concerned about weight, but yeah, I think this is good. And we don't even have to move them when we travel because it's on this side of the thing. So yeah, we don't have to turn them or anything. Yep, this is going to be good. Thanks for coming along. If you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and watch some videos that are going to be sitting in this chair right here. Alright, see you next time. Remember that a happy life starts in a happy place, and this one's ours. We'll see you next time.